your Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Allie.
I'm Courtney.
I'm Macy.
And I'm Logan, and we are here to provide you with the news for today, Friday, September 4th.
Attention all seniors. Please make sure that you set up your Parchment account. If you have not taken care of this yet, please look for an email from Parchment in your inbox. Open it and follow the instructions. It is simple and does not take much time. Please take care of this as soon as possible.
Apollo received our AP scores recently, and we would like to acknowledge the following students for their accomplishments. Jackson Lindsay received AP Scholar with honor. Ryan Gatton, Daniel Mays, and Connor Satterley received AP Scholar with distinction. These students received AP Scholar: Emily Campbell, Louis Castillo, Macy Dame, Ryan Edmondson, Lacey Fitzgerald, Valerie Gillum, Sarah Goatee, Kennedy Gray, Emma Ladner, Raymond Lynn, Nathaniel Payne, Leah Reinerson, Isabella Rydell, Hannah Roberts, Jacob Robin, Abby Rummage, and Ashley Turnham. Congratulations to all of you.
Good news! Breakfast and lunch is free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on the red light status, you can pick up your meals from any DCPS school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Check the DCPS website for the curbside meal pickup service times at each location. Apollo serving times will be from 11:30 to 12:30 in front of the school.
We would like to wish all students good luck in their after-school activities. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning,
Please stand.
Eagles. Happy Friday to you. It's our second Friday of the school year, and it was great seeing our kids give little bits of announcements and take that over for me. Wanted to explain to you students that we are having a college game day today. That's about the only time that you would see me around here wearing black or red. Don't worry. So I'm supporting the Cards today. I know there's some college football that's starting. It started last weekend. Had some games last night as well. So we hope to see our own teams here at Apollo starting soon, and I think those will begin next week. Wanted to give the birthdays for today and through this long weekend. Morgan Bland celebrating a birthday today. James Calhoun, Jim Calhoun, Benjamin Bratcher tomorrow, Michael Ferris, Jared Gray, Julian Howard, and Emily Payne all tomorrow on Derby Saturday, an odd August Kentucky Derby Saturday. On Sunday, Xavier Collier, Justin Harris, and Riley Hunsinger, and Eric Whited. And then on Labor Day Monday, Kiana Dixon, Teresa Felipe, Boo Ray, and Giovanni Salado. Students and staff, let's all enjoy this awesome weather weekend we have in front of us. Remember to take it one day at a time. We're going to help you get through this year, whatever it takes. So if you need some help, please reach out to the office or at least reach out to your teachers, and we will help you get through whatever barriers you may be having. Let's have an awesome, awesome weekend.
We would like to wish all students good luck in their after-school activities. Thank you and have a great day.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.